Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered what goes on in a woman's mind after, she's had a lot of experience in the relationship department? It's a question that has intrigued many, and today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of women and their experiences. Get ready for some eye-opening insights as we uncover the surprising behaviors and subtle signs that women often exhibit after being with multiple partners. Understanding these signs can be incredibly insightful for both men and women, fostering better communication and empathy in relationships. So grab your thinking caps and get ready to explore the intriguing dynamics of relationships and self-discovery. Secret 1. More selective. Alright, let's talk about something that happens to all of us, guys and gals. After we've been around the block a few times in the dating world, we get a little more, how do I say this nicely? Discerning. Yeah, let's go with discerning. It's like when you're at the grocery store and you've tried every brand of cereal. You know what you like, you know what you don't like, and you're not afraid to walk past that generic brand promising the moon and the stars. Ladies, you know what I'm talking about. You've dated the bad boys, the nice guys, the ones who still live with their parents. No judgment. You've learned a thing or two about what works for you and what definitely doesn't. And here's the thing, there's absolutely nothing wrong with having high standards. In fact, I encourage it. You deserve someone who checks all those boxes and then some. So keep being selective, my friends. Secret 2. Relaxed attitude. You know what's truly liberating? Getting to a point in your life where you're comfortable in your own skin. You know what you want, and you're not afraid to go after it, or let it go if it's not meant to be. That's the beauty of experience. It brings a certain level of comfort and relaxation when it comes to relationships. It's not about being indifferent, not at all. It's about understanding that a relationship shouldn't feel like a chore, a pressure cooker, or a never-ending negotiation. It's about finding someone who complements your life, not complicates it. Someone who makes you smile, who you can have fun with, who you can be yourself around, flaws and all. And if it doesn't work out, well, that's okay too. Life's too short to force something that's not meant to be. So relax, enjoy the journey, and remember, it's all about finding that special someone who makes you feel like you're already home. Secret 3. Confident expression. So, we've talked about being more selective and having a relaxed attitude. Now let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the unspoken expectations in the relationship. Ladies, how many times have we tiptoed around our feelings, hoping our partners would just get it? Too many times, right? But here's the thing. Experience teaches us that clear communication is key. We learn to express our needs and desires openly and honestly, without shying away or expecting our partners to be mind readers. It's about saying what we want and need, without sugarcoating or playing games. And you know what? When we speak our truth with confidence and kindness, it not only strengthens our relationships, but also helps us grow as individuals. Secret 4. Understanding wants. Remember those cereal boxes I mentioned earlier? Well, imagine looking at a shelf full of them and actually knowing what you want. No more grabbing the first flashy box that catches your eye. That's what happens when it comes to relationships after you've gained some experience. You develop a deeper understanding of yourself, your values, and what you truly want in a partner. It's like that aha moment when you realize you're no longer drawn to the superficial stuff. You're looking for something deeper, something more meaningful. You want someone who shares your values, who supports your dreams, and who challenges you to grow in all the right ways. You're done settling for anything less than extraordinary because you know you deserve it. Secret 5. Independence. Okay, ladies. Let's talk about one of the most empowering transformations that can happen after gaining some relationship experience. Embracing your independence. It's about realizing that your happiness is not dependent on having a partner. You are complete and whole on your own. You have your own passions, your own goals, and your own amazing life. A partner should complement your life, not complete it. This newfound independence allows you to approach relationships from a place of strength and self-assurance. You're not clinging to someone to fill a void because, guess what? There is no void. So go out there, chase your dreams, build your empire, and know that your independence is what makes you even more irresistible. Secret 6. Perspective on commitment. Now, this is a topic that often comes with a lot of baggage, doesn't it? Commitment. But here's the thing. After experiencing different types of relationships, women often develop a more nuanced perspective on what commitment truly means. It's not just about signing a piece of paper or saying I do. It's about finding someone who you want to build a life with, someone who you trust and respect, someone who you can be your authentic self around. It's about shared values, mutual support, and a deep emotional connection that transcends the superficial. So if you're looking for a relationship that's built to last, remember that commitment is not a destination. It's a journey. It's about choosing each other every single day and navigating life's ups and downs together as a team. Secret 7. Open to casual relationships. Let's address the elephant in the room, shall we? The C word, casual. Now, I know this might not resonate with everyone, and that's perfectly okay. We all have different comfort levels when it comes to relationships, but after experiencing a variety of relationship styles, some women find themselves more open to exploring casual connections. It's about embracing the freedom to choose what works for them at that particular moment in their lives. It's about having the confidence to define what they want, whether it's a committed relationship, a casual fling, or simply enjoying their own company. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer here. It's all about being true to yourself and your needs. Secret 8. Strong sense of self. This, my friends, is the holy grail of personal growth. After navigating the ups and downs of relationships, women often emerge with a stronger sense of self than ever before. They've learned from their past experiences, both the good and the bad, and they've come out on the other side with a deeper understanding of their own worth. They know what they bring to the table, and they're not afraid to walk away from any situation that doesn't align with their values or make them feel respected. This self-assuredness is incredibly attractive and magnetic. When you know your worth, you radiate confidence, and that's something that can't be faked. Secret 9. Experience communication. Remember those awkward first date conversations? The ones where you'd rather talk about the weather than anything remotely personal? Well, after a few trips around the relationship block, those days become a distant memory. Experience has a way of refining our communication skills. We learn to read between the lines, to pick up on subtle cues, and to express ourselves with clarity and confidence. We're no longer afraid to have those tough conversations, to address conflict head-on, and to set healthy boundaries. Effective communication becomes second nature, and that, my friends, is a game changer in any relationship. Secret 10. Realistic view. And last but not least, let's talk about the importance of keeping it real. After experiencing the highs and lows of relationships, women often develop a more realistic view of what to expect. They understand that no relationship is perfect, that there will be disagreements, and that it takes work from both partners to create a strong and lasting bond. They're not looking for a fairy tale romance, but rather a genuine connection with someone who accepts them for who they are, flaws and all. This realistic outlook allows them to approach relationships with open eyes and a grounded perspective, setting the stage for healthier and more fulfilling connections. Well, there you have it, folks. We've explored some of the fascinating ways women evolve after experiencing multiple relationships, from becoming more selective to embracing their independence, and everything in between. Remember, these are just a few insights, and every woman's journey is unique and beautiful in its own way. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Share your own experiences and perspectives in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep those hearts open and those conversations flowing.